For those of you who would like to speak Jamaican, I'll start with the greeting. What's your name? What is your name? Wagwan. What's going on? Where you come from? Where are you from? Nice to meet you. I'm happy to meet you. Nice meeting you. When me I go see you again? When will I see you again? Which part you live? Where do you live? Who you related to? Who are your relative? How you come from so far? You're coming from far? Come make we reason. Come let us reason. You are my friend. You are my friend. No worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. That are no problem. When it comes to Jamaican, we say no problem. Me just want to know you're alright. I just want to know that you're okay and you're gonna be alright. So that a little of the patois. That is little of Jamaican patois. Me grew up St. Catherine. St. Catherine, me born and grow. I was born and grown in St. Catherine. Maybe me and your family, you know. Maybe we are family. Me like you. I like you. But let me check your family history first. What your surname? Let me check your family history first. What your surname? Gordon. You know some Gordon from St. Mary. You're related to them? I know some Gordon from St. Mary. Are you related to them? Me and one of them used to go to school. I mean, I remember his name. We used to go to school, but I can't recall or I don't remember his name. Girl, you look good. Girl, you're looking good. I like your smile. I like the way you smile. You're sure you don't have nobody? Do you have a boyfriend? Yes, I do. You? How will you ask me so much question for? You're police? Why are you questioning me? Are you police? Are you a police officer? Well, you arrest the wrong person. You're arresting the wrong person. Bye-bye. Tata. Later. See you later. I'll see you later. Me have to run. I'm gonna run. So, take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Until then. Until then. So, please like, miss if you like my video. I want you to like my video. Miss if you share my video. I want you to share my video. Miss if you tell your friend, if you tell your friend, if you tell your other friend, and your sister, your brother, your uncle. Tell the whole family. Tell your family. Tell your family. Please subscribe. Miss if you subscribe. Please, if you can't subscribe, please, if you could subscribe. I'll catch you another time, another day, when we talk Jamaican, when we chat Jamaican. Yes. Carry your book, carry your pencil. Me, I go teach you. Take your book, take your pencil. I'm gonna teach you.